Hello, welcome to Daily Inspirations. I am Michelle Dawn, and today I am decorating, oh, I didn't even open it. I'm decorating my VillabeauTIFFul section of my Franken planner, which would be, oh, we're in December now, I forgot. I didn't do my December calendar or dashboard page yet. I just, added the tour card from the Jane's Agenda subscription box, and I think it looks so good. So I'm probably not going to decorate the dashboard anymore. I think that's sufficient. I will just put in boxes for my things to do, and I haven't decided what to do with the calendar yet, but we are doing the week of December 5th. That can't be right. That can't be right. Okay, yes. I was measuring to see. Okay, this is the one. This is the one. Okay. I just put all this Franken planner together so the discs aren't quite smooth yet. I didn't do any twisting or you know. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry about the yawning. That's terrible. I am just really super tired. I have been sick for like a month, maybe more. And it's just getting exhausting. Okay. I also don't have my light on because it's daytime. I might change my mind about that. Let's see. Also, it bothers me because I can hear the light. It's just a high-pitched buzzing noise. Anyway, back to the project at hand here. Okay, I am using the Efflorescence, which I have been spelling wrong this entire time, and social media when I've been sharing. I was spelling it without the L, so I was spelling it Efflorescence. It's Efflorescence. Anyway, this was the October 2022 kit. I also do not have a plan. I didn't think about it at all, except for that I want to use these days of the week. So I will be going with like the purpley ones. And since I know that's what I'm doing, I will start there. Oh, I don't know. I can't live with that one. I just can't. It's just so crooked. Do you ever watch Plan With Me videos and the person doing the video puts something down crooked and you literally yell at the screen, "No, it's crooked, stop!" No? Nobody else, just me? Okay. All right, I will put the numbers on because I always forget to do that if I wait. And I really like this style of font on the bottom here. Okay, numbers are done. I'm being too indecisive. Okay, then we need to pick which one we like with, I think I like this one. Can you even see what I'm doing? I don't know if I'm in frame or not. Yeah, I like that one. Okay, so we'll put this here. Oh man, I am shaky. Okay. Okay, close enough is good enough, right? It's not perfect, but we're not going for perfect this time. I am still in my van, or I'm back in my van. Ooh, I like this one. Right after we got back, oh, but wait, I wanted to do this too. Anyway, right after we got back, my van broke down less than a mile from home, so that was, I'm extremely grateful that we were already done with our trip and we were so close to home. So I think I want to put that one there. Maybe I'll put that one up here. I have not done one of these big boxes in the top section before. So this is me trying to figure out what the heck I'm doing. That's what it is. All right. If I put this here, I think this will look, should I skip any lines? I'm not going to, simply because I have other things that I want to put and I don't want to take up all of my space. All right, come on. There we go. Okay. We'll glue this down while we're thinking about it. Yeah. Yes, Michelle. You and all of the friends in the room right now. Okay. Okay. It would help if I removed that part. I don't know why, but maybe it's like the temperature in the van gets really hot in here. Ew, fuzz! It's from my blue blanket. Oh boy. Yeah, everything gets all over everything because there's like no space. Not that I'm complaining. I happen to love the amount of space that I have in this van. It was a Sheraton Hotel shuttle bus. So it's bigger than a normal van. And we took the seats out in the back. And I have, oh no. I have swivel seats on the front two seats, the driver's seat and passenger seat. And that's what I'm sitting in right now. I'm sitting in the passenger seat. Oh my gosh. I'm sitting in the passenger seat facing the back. And then I have my table here. Yay! Okay, that's nice. Oh, and I'm so happy. Apparently this paper is thick enough that the words are not showing through, which makes me really happy because I totally forgot to white it out. Okay, so far so good. Yeah, weekend activities. I'll do the top 3. Usually I like to kind of stagger them. And off, you know, I'm not putting it directly in the lines, I'm putting it off center a little bit. And I'm going to do the darkest one in the middle. I really feel like I want it to be not on the line. I don't know. I'm going to leave it on the line so that I have enough lines to write on still afterward too. Okay. And then this one will go, I'm trying to make it the same distance apart as the other two are. There we go. Okay. And then I will put some bigger boxes on the other side that I will fill in with like things to do, important things that I need to get done that day for example, Monday is family game night. I think I'll use this one for family game night. And I will turn it sideways so I can write family game night, because family is a longer word than the other two and it would look weird if I did it a different way. Okay, and I kind of do want to put it on the bottom because it's at night. Again, I'm trying to stagger it so that it's not even with this one, and I don't want it to be even with that one either. So I think there is good. And I am going to leave, yeah, I am going to leave this one in, like, directly in the lines and spaces. You know what I mean? It's not overlapping the day. Okay, and then I'm going to put some smaller ones over here. I'll start with a small one in the light purple. And now these I probably will overlap somehow. Do I want to start deco, or should I think I should do a little bit down here first. All right, here are the two tapes that came with this kit. What do you think? I like it. I just feel like it's got to match this side too, so. Oh yeah, that'll be fine. Okay. That's that one. Then I think staggered, like not lined up with this edge or the edge of the tape. Okay, and then decorations. Oh no, I want to put a little box. Okay, let's see. I really like these. I think these are really pretty. So let's see if I can incorporate these. Let's see. I like to use these just as added decoration to kind of bring the elements together, if that makes sense. I think I will use this one down here in the corner, or down here in the box. Let's see. It's supposed to face this way, so what would happen if I put it here? How would it look? Oh, that's kind of cute. Okay, so that kind of brings these two sides together. And now I don't have my glasses on right now. Can't really see very well, but I think those are two candles, two taper candles, which gives me anxiety, but I'll just keep telling myself they're not real. Now I feel like I want the pumpkin over here, but I don't know if I pressed it down too much. Because these clear stickers, yeah, these clear stickers are pretty much, leave them where you put them. So far, so good. I do want to put one of the Efflorescence pen stickers on here. I think yes, I think this one matches. Maybe I'll go with that one this time. I usually use these inks. They're I don't know, they're a stripe kind of. And this is more like a brush stroke like this. Okay, so this is Girl Boss Anna. I got it in the anniversary set, so I don't know what color it is. The last thing that I want to do is put script stickers or script things on there. Oh my goodness, the wind is blowing so hard, there's stuff just flying all over the place outside. And not just the sand from the desert, just like oops, no, yep, can't do that. I was going to straighten it, but I forgot it's a clear sticker. I can't remove it. Okay, especially off of another sticker. Oh my goodness. I loves it. I think I'm done. What the heck? All right. I don't know. I guess I'm done. I feel really weird about this because I know it took me forever, but I just feel like it's not time to be done yet. Did I do everything? I think I got everything in there. All right, let's put it back in the planner. Okay. All right, so here it is. All done. Let's do the, ready? And I will get her in there for her close-up. I'm not sure if this lighting is ruining everything or making it better. I guess I'll find out when I go to edit this video. Okay, well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. And I hope that my slow talking, babbling, stuttering self did not annoy you too much today. Okay. I am gonna go now. Please pray for me. I need help for my brain, my body. I'll see you all next time.
As always, stay inspired. Bye.